This is my 1971 Scott speaker, woofer driver, out of these cabinets. Made out of particle board. Tweeters and the other woofer. Gonna put a new cap in it. All the damping. This is an 8-inch woofer, 25 watts or so. Has a little crack in there. It comes from the production. As you can see, it's painted. So it has to come from the production. I don't think that's bad, but I still think I'll replace this woofer because I have the chance to buy a new one and keep this one as a replacement part because it works and the crack is not that bad. But you know, I want to go the safest way.